Here we have a success story from Sri Vidya PMP from Malaysia. She's starting down the Twin Towers. Huh? What is that famous tower there in Malaysia?
KL
KL
Tower,
Tower.
Wind
Okay,
Tower.
KL Tower. We have all our Bollywood, Kollywood movies hero introduction there.
Yeah,
We know that tower only by that form.
and by fact, we are staying surrounding over there.
Oh, okay. So every day morning you wake up and look at the tower, do neck
Yes,
exercise.
yes, yes,
Okay,
that's true.
that's a good neck exercise, right?
It's
Okay,
actually visible from our window.
of course, there's such a big building anywhere in the country you can see that. See, I was there and I was staying in a hotel. I checked them with them, and in the hotel it's visible. I didn't know Malaysia how tall buildings will be there. Okay, but this guy said, "Sorry, anywhere in the room you can see this big tower." Then I understood it's a tall tower there.
Yeah, that is the tallest one.
Yeah, nice building to see. Watch out. Great tourist attraction. Okay, with this we have Srividya, and she recently cleared PMP. A lot of excitement with her, a lot of smile, a lot of joy. She is jumping. Okay, but it was a long journey. I know Srividya for a while. She was in Malaysia. Now she's in India for some travel trip. But she's in touch with me for a while, telling that, Shriram, is it possible? Can I do that? How it's going to happen? Later, she put a lot of effort. I mean, we gave a little push, but 99% is from her side. She made a lot of effort. So let's listen to her success story, how this happened. Before that, a good wishes from Sri Learning and team, Srividya. So give some hint on where you started, what was your motive, and how do you went to this exam?
Yeah. When I started this particular project manager career, I was thinking for a strong certification which will give me a base, and also even it should be an industry standard, of course, when my resume circulates outside. So in that case, yes, I have gone through few sites and few contents through internet. Then I came across this PMP certification, which was crawling out all over the internet, and I was a little bit curious to know more about the things. And yes, of course, later I have took some Edureka course content and all for my 35 PDUs certification, something to apply for a PMP for sure. So I got approved. Application was approved immediately. But yes, after going through Edureka, I felt that the content was not that much good enough for me to understand, because I literally I had only 5 years of experience, like a junior level. I was a junior project manager, not more into all the areas, all the knowledge areas, whatever we have learned just now, whatever I have learned in PMBOK. I was not into every knowledge area that I was working. But yes, of course, I have gone through procurement process, preparing RFPs and RFIs and everything. So even I was handling tender submissions. Along with that, I was doing my on-site traveling as a project manager for my different clients. And so keeping that in mind, I felt that Edureka was not good enough for me to get some kind of content and knowledge. Then I have shifted to Sri Learning. Of course, Sriram, I have seen lot of LinkedIn posts and all through my friends, and I had lot of colleagues who were who trained under you for PMP.
So you
So from there,
trust
I came to know
you
about
you
Sri Learning.
okay, you
And
trusted it. You trusted
sorry,
that. Okay, so you
yeah.
trusted your friends will not lie to you.
Yeah, of course. But yes, of course, I have even asked them regarding your cooperation in this PMP journey, and how are you flexible enough to because we, of course, I had lot of doubts in my mind regarding this. Already I have gone through Edureka, so I couldn't get much success regarding my preparation and all. So that was the reason that I checked with my friends first. Then later, when I have seen your LinkedIn post and everyone were all around congratulating you for their success and all, so then I came across you and I joined Sri Learning for this journey, for my PMP journey. And my initial plan was to complete my certification by March 2020, but that couldn't happen due to this COVID issues. So
Um,
then I postponed to November 2020 and completed it successfully. But of
Great,
course, it was
great.
a great
Yeah,
effort, and
yeah.
also even great cooperation from you as a.
We did 1%, Srividya. By the way, Srividya, I know there is a paper behind you on the wall. Is it something on PMP? Can I?
Yeah. because because I have written in my every
I got you.
knowledge area IT divorce I have written and I have pasted it on my.
See, I have seen some Bollywood or Hollywood movies. When they want to attack a particular gang, they'll put a poster. They keep pictures of the people and mark it how to kind of. So, what you written there? Let me see that. What you written there? If you want to show.
Yeah, sure. Hold on, please.
Sorry to make you stand up. If you're fine, you can. So, what you written there? What is that?
Integration management of the project.
Ah, okay, pretty good. What is the next one? A lot of stuff there. Okay. Yeah, please. Thanks for that. Thanks for that. I appreciate it.
Because
And
this literally this gave me a motivation to complete my certification.
so
Because whenever I wake up,
give a hint. What is the two paper you have there? One is what, other one is what?
sorry, I
What
didn't
is
get.
that written there? Give a hint of it.
Okay, it's integration management, process groups.
Ah,
What we have ITTOs under develop project charter, develop project management
okay.
plan.
Okay.
So this inspired me a lot because when I wake up early in the morning from
Uh-huh.
my bed, I just go and see my wall.
Oh my God. So your family don't feel bad about it, what you're doing there?
No, not literally. Because I am, they were quite okay what I have done to the
Nice,
walls.
nice. It's a big achievement. Leadership is not just in the books. It's in a character. It's in a habit. Now, what you say? Now I wake up, I see that, and I visualize. It's very important. And many think that management and leadership in the books. Actually, it's not in the books. It's in your attitude. It's a character. How do you
Yeah.
behave? How do you learn? How do you change your day? There it goes. Perfect. Super. So yes, Srividya, give some tips on books which you prefer, which you liked it.
First, I have gone through Rita.
Mm.
On first base, I have gone through Rita only once. But after going through Rita, when I came back to Pembok, I loved Pembok Guide, sixth edition, because Rita was good enough on content base. I don't want to degrade Rita at all, but yes, of course, it was good on content base, and also it was good on understanding purposes when you first go for this PFP journey. But when I came to Pembok, it was literally a very good book which I loved it a lot. So for my from past 1 month, I was only reading, going through PIMBOK, and also of course I have done a lot of mock exams as well,
Mm.
where I used to score a bit lesser than 70. Of course, I know. Of course, you know Sriram, a lot of that. But yes, I after doing one mock exam, at least I used to spend 10 hours to 15 hours. That means 2 whole days to only going through the to only do the analysis of that mock exam
Right,
relating to PMBOK guide.
right.
So in that way, I started developing the interest to go through PMBOK guide each and every page.
Mm.
Now
Mm.
I'm in such a way that I'm perfect with ITTOs.
So if I tell the page number, you can tell what is there.
Not that much perfect, but yes, of course, under dollar projects, after what you'll have, what you'll be going through, what is needs assessment, and etc., everything.
Did you
But
find, did you found any spelling mistake in Pimbak somewhere?
yeah, I found few spelling mistakes, and also I think in stakeholder management, I think
Mm.
they have under data. Actually, the tool and technique under data analysis was mentioned wrong. I came across that it should be data representation, but they have mentioned it as data analysis.
Wow, 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 wow. Look at the way you read, huh?
Yeah, literally, I love the book, and also I'm waiting for seventh edition to go through how it is going to be
Right. But
to
don't
get
worry,
some insight knowledge on that.
seventh edition only 250 pages.
Sorry.
Seventh edition going to be only 250 pages.
Oh, that's great
Very,
to
very
hear.
small book they're
Small
releasing.
book.
Six is a main book. They're going to release a seventh as addition to six. They will not throw six out. Six
Okay.
plus seven. That is how we have to read going forward.
Okay, okay.
So it's a nice book coming up. Let's wait and see. It's all going to be principle based.
Yes,
PMI is always standard, yeah. They're always at the
their
par.
level is different.
The Billa, they always a Billa in the market. There are a lot of certificate in the market, but PMI is Billa
Yeah.
always.
From yesterday, I'm actually, to be frank, from yesterday, after I have posted my PMP certification online in LinkedIn, I
Uh-huh.
have received lot of new LinkedIn requests, and also WhatsApp is full.
So superstar now you are. Huh?
But now I'm superstar.
You can give blessings to people. Okay, guys, take my blessings and go and clear
And
this.
even they have asked me the tips, and also even I have shared. I have separate project manager groups where I'm preparing. We all were preparing.
Okay.
So we used to share our tips and also even how to prepare, how
Okay.
to move forward. I had all my Malaysian project manager group in my
Wow.
WhatsApp. So
Ah.
I shared all my tips and what I have done from past 1 month. They were quite okay with it, and also they were asking few suggestions how to proceed further, and even they want to finish it by before December 31st, before literally PMP changes.
Good, good, good. Okay, give some hint about the exam day because that's a important marriage day in life.
Yeah, of course. The day before exam, uh, I have came across under PMI website a free PMP paper. So I use that PMP paper to write it first. Then later, after that, I have gone through my study notes. I prepared my study notes for my own self. From past 1 month, I was preparing all the definitions, which I used to forget a little bit, where I was not very much confident on that. So I have referred only my books, and I have done that last PMP paper under PMI website. That's it. After that, I didn't touch my book at all.
Okay, okay. Okay, in the exam, the first 89 questions, how long it took for you?
First 89 questions I finished by 95 minutes.
95 means it will be 1.5 hours. A
One,
decent time.
yeah, one and a half hour. I finished at 1.5 hour by 1.5 hour, and also just for reviewing section because few 2 to 3 questions were a bit tougher
Okay.
in types of analysis part, and of course ITT was helped me a lot
Uh-huh.
in analyzing a question because the 3 questions were very tough. That analyzing through ITT was also it took like around 3 to 4 minutes for me to analyze and put the answer, right answer over there. I don't know whether it was correct or not, but as of course, I my personal thing, what I have felt is after reading the ITTOs and after reading the flow of all the process groups and also knowledge areas and everything, those 3 tough questions in the first part were easy for me. I felt in that way.
Got you, got you.
So
Okay.
I, after reading the question, I related that particular question and also that particular key points to the ITTO and then answered the question for those 3 questions only.
Understood.
Apart from that, each and every question were okay for me to answer.
Okay. So you took the 10 minutes break. Did you utilize it?
Literally, I didn't utilize because I was excited to see part 2 paper. So I skipped the break and I just went through.
In the movie, they give something called interruption, right? Interval. Why
Yeah.
then only you will go and buy popcorn, huh? Ice cream, take a break and come back.
Yeah,
Why?
even institute people. I have done this exam on center base because
Right.
Hyderabad was already open and running, and
Right.
everything was good. Okay,
Hmm.
so even the person over there who was guiding me, she asked me to go for 10 minutes break,
Right.
and also she mentioned that after you need to give me some time for verification again. You need to
Uh,
submit your passport. I need to verify. So make sure that you finish your break within 5 minutes. Again, I need to go through the long process. It's not my home, so that I just get up and again come back.
yep, yep, yep.
So that's the reason I just skipped my break.
I know this was a pain I had because the center where I went, the washroom was outside the center area. So since I went outside the center area, when I came back, they did 7 minutes for me to verify.
Yeah.
They make you to stand, scan you, and
Yes.
check your passport. Those days they want to take off your shoes. I think even now it's the same thing. Take off the shoes, take off your socks, flip your collar.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the middle of the exam, you'll feel, man, why should I do this? But
because already I have gone through first process. So again, if you want to take break, you need to come back from the same process, and we don't know whether it is going to be 15 minutes. Again, I'll waste my 5 minutes of time where I miss my 5 questions.
wow.
Reading my 5 questions, I will be going to miss.
But the
So
break is needed. Sip of
yeah,
water.
I do know that.
Okay, good.
So just for relaxing purposes, I just got up from my chair. I just stretched my hands, and again I sat back to the.
Ah, okay. You did some Patanjali yoga there. So how is the second half? How many minutes before you stopped the last question?
The last question before 12 minutes, I stopped.
Very
And 12 minutes, I took just to go through all the questions, however, I have done.
good.
And from there also, I marked 5 questions, which I
Mhm.
felt tougher in second part. So there I took little bit time to answer the questions. So those 5 questions, I took bit time. Apart from that, every question was okay for me, relating and writing down, putting down my options, and also even calculation part was very easy.
Hmm.
Was
Hmm.
okay for me.
Seems
I'll
seems your
literally
day
I got sorry Srinath.
seems your day looks a pretty nice day. You're telling easy. It's okay. Easy question.
I got three problematic questions, and one is on one is on schedule network diagram. Only one I got, so it was quite okay, no problem.
You prepared well. That's what it means. When you say easy, exam is not easy. You prepared well.
Fear. My preparation is only fear. I need to get this certification at any cost. That's it.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, good. Good to know about all exam stuff. So, how is your market in Malaysia? How do they see this PMP?
This PMP in Malaysia is literally a top certification. If you are a if you are a PMP certified, of course, I have my local chapter people whom
Uh-huh.
I'm in contact with them. PMI MY, it's our Malaysian chapter. So yes, of course, when I have posted my PMP certification success, everyone started texting me personally that all congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. So in short, we have only around 1,000 to 1,500 people maybe PMP certified.
Woohoo.
So one of them, I'm the one. That's it.
Wow, that's good. So probably when you reach Malaysia by January, you may meet their prime minister or president.
Yeah, I know the president of PMI. PMI.
I'm
Oh,
talking.
sorry, not the president of Malaysia.
The president of Malaysia will invite Srividya. We know one of you has cleared PMP, please. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Really not just making some fun, but actually you deserve those victory. Great, Srividya. It was a great journey from your side. And which domain jobs you are looking for, and how you think this PM will help you?
My domain, my past experience is mostly on IT, so and also even digital. So of
Mm-hmm.
course, the same domains I'm looking through uh, for
Sure.
my future
Sure,
prospect.
good wishes. Good wishes of success because PMP is not just for getting a job, it's beyond that. In a sense, I feel it's a longevity knowledge which
Yes,
carries
yes,
a leadership knowledge with us, interpersonal skills, emotional balance, how to communicate with people, right?
yes,
You become a leader by preparing for this exam, waking up on time, reading it, knowing your emotional balance. Am I okay do right? It change your character altogether. But one good thing or one thing which people sometimes miss it, after the exam they go back to their routine.
yeah,
So that should not happen. What you did in this last 3 months should be carried forward, and that can turn into a real leader in another 1 year of time.
yeah, sure. I want to be a leader, of course. Till
Wow.
now, I was only working as a manager, but of course, after getting through this certification and also getting a certified person, being a certified person, sorry,
Great.
I'll make sure that whatever I have learned in my future, wherever I join or wherever I work, I'll make sure that these techniques and whatever I have learned, I'll just put it in my job on my daily routine.
Superb, superb, Srividya on top of it. Super, Srividya. Thanks a lot for coming up. And I know it's a work day, should be busy for you. So thanks for coming up and giving your tips here. Maybe the last line, anything you want to tell for the people? There are some set of people pushing to clear the exam by December 31st because of the pattern change.
Yeah.
Any tips you want to give to them?
Tips in the sense, of course, be focused and be focused, and also even don't skip your daily routine apart from this studying, and make sure you have this kind of charts so that you'll get inspired.
Wow. So I like that a daily routine. I sometimes call it as a daily discipline, like you brush and have food as a daily discipline. Same way something should be done. I like this chart format. So you have to write a chart format and follow that. Thanks for the tips and thanks for the books,
Thank
idea,
you.
exam, and the motivation. Soon you may be called by the president. I didn't I keep that place blank. I didn't tell which president. Could be Malaysia president, Singapore, or PMI president, Sunil Prashad. Yes, that's good. That's good. We have all of them connected in the LinkedIn. Sometimes I see some of our candidates be given good wish from the president of PMI. So they send a good wish on a random basis. It happens. That's good. Pretty good, Shivya. Thanks a lot for coming up here and keep rocking as a good leader. You said, I want to be a leader, but actually you are a leader. The moment you realize your capability, the moment you can visualize what you are looking into and you're able to achieve it, it means you are already in the leadership path. Just
Thank you.
you have to progress in the same line, and the world is yours.
Yeah, sure. Sure,
Right.
Sriram. Thank you for cooperation so far. And yes, of course, you're a good coach.
Right. Thank you. Thank you for that good work.
Thank you, Sriram. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay, bye.